Custom shaped stickers are a great option for branding and illustrations. From customer freebies to sprucing up your packaging, we've got a sticker for the job. Follow along to learn how to create custom stickers. First up, open your design software. In this example, we're using Illustrator. Set up your artboard following the width and height you would like your full design to be. Create 2 layers named Artwork and Cutline, and place your design on the Artwork layer. Avoid putting any important visuals within 2mm from the cutline. On the cutline layer, add the outline of the shape you would like your sticker cut to. You can do this through freestyling a shape using the pen tool, using the shapes already set within Illustrator, or using Image Trace. Your outline should have a stroke of 0.75 in the colour magenta. If your design goes to the edge of the sticker, add a 3mm bleed to ensure there's no white edges. Set your cutline layer to not print and save out your file following the next steps. For more useful advice, download our PDF how-to guide from the product page and start designing your very own custom stickers.